Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can deposit and withdraw your money on the new Trove 2.0 investment app. Now, in case you don't know, Trove launched a new investment app, or let me say they upgraded the app on the 1st of March 2022, and the new app is totally different from the previous app. So I'll be making videos on how you can use the different features on the new Trove app. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos. Now, before I continue, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, the stock market, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video. Now to how to deposit and withdraw your money on the new Trove app. Now I'm going to be starting with how to deposit your money, and then I'll move to how you can withdraw your money. Now the first thing you need to do is to tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of the Trove app, as you can see right here. So once you tap on it, you will see where you have balances. You can see where I have $119.52. So you're going to tap on it. And once you tap it, you will see that you have three different wallets. You have your Vault wallet, you have your NG portfolio cash wallet, and then you have your US portfolio cash wallet. So now let me tell you the differences between these three wallets before I move to how you can deposit and withdraw. Now I'm going to be starting with the NGN portfolio wallet. Now the money you have in your NGN portfolio wallet is the money you can use to invest in Nigerian stocks. So let's say, for example, you want to invest in Nigerian stocks, then you need to deposit money into your NGN portfolio wallet. Now your US portfolio wallet, the money there is the money you can use to invest in US stocks only. So if you want to invest in US stocks, you need to deposit money into your US portfolio cash wallet. Now what about the Vault wallet, which is here? For the Vault wallet, now remember, one of the new features on the new app is the Trove card, where you can now use the card to make payments in dollars and in naira on different websites. Now in case you want to use that card, you will be spending the money in your Vault wallet. So if you want to do that, you have to deposit money in your Vault wallet. And also, if you have money in your Vault wallet, you can transfer money from your Vault wallet to your NGN portfolio wallet or to your US portfolio wallet. So let's say you don't have money in your NGN portfolio wallet and you want to invest in Nigerian stocks, but you have money in your Vault. You can transfer money from your Vault to your NGN portfolio wallet. I'll be showing you how to do all of this in this video. So in case you have any questions or you want to drop any comments, please drop them in the comment section of this video. I'm going to be going through every comment I get. Now to how to deposit money into these three wallets. I'm going to be starting with the Vault wallet. So as you can see, we are on the Vault wallet on the screen right now. And you can see, if you scroll down, you see that you have different options. You have Fund Naira, you have Fund Dollar, you have Send Money, Move Funds, and Withdraw. Now, as you can see, the first option here is Fund Naira, which means add funds directly to your Vault in Naira. So this means that you can deposit money from your Nigerian bank account to your Vault. And you can see the second one, it says Fund Dollar, add funds directly to your Vault in dollars. So in case you have a domiciliary account or a dollar account, you can transfer dollars to your Vault wallet at the same time. So in case you don't have a dollar wallet, no problem, you can use the Fund Naira option. So all you just need to do is just tap on Fund Naira right here. And then you can see different options. You have the bank transfer option, Naira debit card, that means you have a card, barter, or Pega. So anyone wants to use, you can use any one of your choice. But for me, I prefer to use the bank transfer option. So once you tap on the bank transfer option, you tap on proceed. And then here you enter the amount of money you want to deposit into your Vault wallet. So let's say, for example, I want to deposit 20,000 Naira. I will just enter 20,000 Naira. And then you tap on next. Now you can see this pop-up that is coming at the bottom side of the screen, where it says instant deposit is only available weekdays between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. What this means is that if you are depositing money on weekdays between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., that means you turn on this toggle button right here and your money will be deposited instantly. But if you are not depositing during weekdays and it's not between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m., don't turn on the toggle button. So since I'm not doing this during the weekday, I'm doing this during the weekend. So I'm just going to tap on continue. And then it's going to show you every information about the transaction you're about to make. So you can see the amount is 20,000 Naira. The processor fee is 201 Naira 51 kobo. So the total amount of money is 20,201 Naira 51 kobo. And then the next thing you need to do is just tap on yes deposit. So right here, you can see that's taking us to another page where we'll be given an account number, a bank name, and the beneficiary name, and the amount you're going to be transferring to that account number. So all you just have to do is copy the account number and send the amount of money you can see on the screen to that account number. And once you've done that, you come back here and tap on I have made this bank transfer. Now for this video, I'm not going to be depositing any money, so you can see the option cancel payment at the bottom side of the screen. I'll just tap on cancel payment, and then I'm back on the Trove app. So that is the simple way to deposit Naira into your Vault wallet. Now the next option is if you want to fund dollars, just tap on it. Now as you can see, there are two options to deposit dollars into your Vault wallet, either through your dollar debit card or through your barter account. So if you have a dollar debit card, all you just need to do is just enter your card details and the money will be debited from your dollar account. Or if you have a barter account, all you just need to do is just enter your details and the money will be debited from your barter account. So those are the two different ways to deposit dollars into your Vault wallet. Now, how do you deposit money into the two other wallets, your NGN portfolio wallet and the US portfolio wallet? Now, for the NGN portfolio wallet, you can only deposit Naira into that account. So if you want to deposit Naira into your NGN portfolio wallet, just tap on Fund Naira. Now, don't forget, the money in your NGN portfolio wallet can only be used to invest in Nigerian stocks. So what you just need to do is just pick any of these options right here, whether bank transfer, your Naira card payment, barter account, or your Pega account. Now for me, I'm going to be using the bank transfer method, and just go here and just enter the 20,000 Naira you want to deposit and just click on next. And here it will be showing you the information about the transaction you are about to make. And if you tap on yes deposit, it's just like the same as we did earlier. It will take you to another page where you will be seeing the bank account that you'll be transferring money to. And once you transfer the money, just tap on yes, I've transferred the money, and then you come back to your Trove account and you see your money in your wallet. So let's tap on no cancel and let's go back. So that is how you can deposit money in your NGN portfolio wallet. What of the US portfolio wallet? So let's tap on it. Now for your US portfolio wallet, you can either transfer from your Nigerian bank account or from your domiciliary account or your dollar account. Now let's for example, you have a Naira account and want to deposit money. All you have to do is just come here, tap on that, and then you tap on bank transfer or any other payment method you want, and then you click on proceed. And let's say we want to transfer, like let's say 20,000 Naira again. Just tap on next, and as you can see, this pop up at the bottom side of the screen. I already explained this earlier. So since I'm doing this on a weekend, I'll just tap on continue. So as you can see here, it's going to show you the information about the transaction you are about to make, and then just send money to the account number that will be given to you, and your money will be shown in your wallet. So that's how you can deposit money into these three different wallets, into your Vault, your NGN portfolio wallet, and your US portfolio wallet. Now, how can you withdraw your money from this wallet back to your Nigerian bank account? Now, what you just need to do, let's start with the Vault wallet. The next thing you need to do is just scroll down to the last option you have here, where you have withdraw, which means you can withdraw funds from your Trove Vault to your linked bank account. Now, once you tap on that option, the next thing is to tap on the preferred withdrawal method, whether you want to transfer the money to your Nigerian bank account or to your domiciliary bank account. So let's say, for example, you want to transfer to your Naira bank account, just tap on that and tap on proceed, and then you enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. So you can see in my Vault wallet, I currently have $190.52. So let's say, for example, I want to withdraw $50. Then the next thing is to add your bank details. So for example, I've added my own bank details, but if you've not added yours, just tap on where you have this add bank option, and then you'll be asked to enter your bank name and your bank account number. But I've already done that. So the next thing is to tap on review withdrawal. So you can see I will be withdrawing $50, and then $1 equals to 565 Naira, and then I'll be receiving 28,250 Naira. So if I will be drawing the money, I'll just tap on yes withdraw at the bottom side of the screen. Now, since I'm not withdrawing this video, I'm not going to be doing that. But once you tap that, your money will be transferred to your Nigerian bank account immediately. So that is how you can withdraw from your Vault wallet. So let's say, for example, you want to withdraw from your NGN portfolio wallet also. So tap on that, and you can see where you have withdraw again. Just tap on withdraw. So since it's from your NGN portfolio wallet, the money is going directly to your Naira bank account. So the next thing is to enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. But as you can see, in my NGN portfolio wallet, I don't have any money there, so I can't withdraw anything. But what you just need to do is just enter the amount of money you want to withdraw, and then the money will be transferred to your Naira bank account. And for the US portfolio wallet, you can also withdraw to your Naira account or to your dollar account. So that is the simple way to deposit money into your wallet on Trove, and that is how you can also withdraw your money from your wallet to your bank account on the Trove 2.0 investment app. Now, in case you want to know how to transfer money, maybe from your Vault to your NGN portfolio wallet or to your US portfolio wallet, all you just need to do is to just come to where you have move funds. You can see easily transfer funds between your Vault and your portfolios. So you just tap on that option. Now you can see you're transferring from Vault to where you have that to, you just select the destination. So let's, for example, you want to transfer to your US portfolio. Just tap on US portfolio and click on done. And then here you enter the amount you want to transfer. So let's say you want to transfer $50. So you just enter $50 and then you click on review transfer. And then once you click on review transfer, you can see you are transferring from Trove Vault and transfer to US portfolio. You will receive $50. You are not charged any fee for this at all. You're not going to be charged any fee. So what you just need to do is just click on yes transfer. So once you click on yes transfer, the money will be transferred immediately from your Vault wallet to your US portfolio wallet. And you can do the same when you're transferring to your NGN portfolio wallet. So that is the simple way to do the deposit and withdrawal method and to transfer from your Vault to any of your portfolios. And if you want to check out my other tutorial videos about the Trove investment app, tap the first link in the description of this video. It will take you to my Trove app playlist so you can see other videos about the Trove investment app. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.